Hi. Hello. Today, today, sorry. Today I wanted to talk about my concept project that I have been working on. It is a quantum computer project, and that is basically ready to use or to be tested and hired. I'm only joking. Anyway, so basically, my concept of making a quantum computer is simple. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna lie and tell you this is mission impossible and stuff like that to make it. So and uh, and if you upset me, I will sell it under £1,000. You know. So I'm only joking. So like I said, the new computer that will be the future is the quantum computers, because they fast in processing information and stuff. So I took the name quantum computer, the name, and I made a concept of it. So I am not gonna I'm not going to go through how you know how big companies and explain how big companies made these computers, and I'm going to speak about how I realized this concept, my concept, or about to realize it. So the concept of my quantum computer is simple. It is a normal computer, as normal computer, that has a screen, that has a hard drive with a big capacity of storage, obviously, but does have a incorporated IR transducer, and transducer that translate IR wave to electric signals, and analogs that translate signals to digit, to binary code, then to data, text, and images. And text, images, and videos, and this is from the CO2 in the nighttime. So basically, from the CO2, we will get the UV. We will have sensors that catch the ER and infrared wave, because CO2 emit infrared waves. So we can translate this to a data, and we put in the morning, for the morning, we put the UV sensor that translate UV waves from nitrogen that is in the morning of the atmosphere, because nitrogen emit UV waves. So these waves then these waves are translated to electric signal, then to binary code, then to a data, text, image, and video, like the IR wave. So basically, this is in general, my concept in general. I'm not gonna go in deep details. So my concept of the quantum computer, and all this will be incorporated, in the computer. And the result will be amazing. A faster quantum computer that work that work with a quantum science, and is faster than the computer work with satellites and stuff. So let's make the resume of the concept. So the concept, like I said, is a concept of a quantum computer that is like an ordinary computer with hard drive and screen, but with a hard drive that have a big capability of storage, but is a cooperated ability to provide data morning, daylight, I mean, and nighttime. And from nitrogen in the morning that emit UV waves, and in the nighttime, dark, the CO2 that emit ER waves. So this is basically this is basically in general how it is, this computer, and how it will be. It will be a bit bigger than the normal size. It will be bigger than normal size, but it will be faster than computers that use satellites and use other things and stuff like that. So I hope my video was interesting, and thank you for listening, and you have a lovely evening.